Now we're going to do a story on Amazon Echo Auto, and you're going to think, listen, no one's driving, nobody's getting into cars, we're in lockdown mode, why would we do it? Look, we should always look into the future. We should always look at what we're going to do when we come out of the lockdown, things to look forward to. It's really depressing to just kind of think that we are locked down. This lockdown is not forever. Take it from me, I can literally give it to you in writing. We will come out of it, and when you come out of it, this could be something very interesting to try out.
If there are Alexa-enabled bed, toothbrushes, why should cars be left behind? Well, meet Amazon Echo Auto, where Alexa finally becomes your co-pilot. And the thought of this really excites us. Imagine a voice assistant guiding you through turns, bringing up music, or placing calls exactly like a friend sitting in the car would. We install the Echo Auto in our car to tell you if Alexa can be your best friend while you drive. The device itself is pretty slim and can be placed like this. There is a mic off and on button for privacy right on the top. The Echo Auto can fit into a 12-volt charging socket or even the USB outlet of the car. For audio, you will have to pair it with Bluetooth or connect it through the 3.5mm audio jack in the car. And finally, you will need an Amazon account and the Alexa app itself to power this up. But once this is done, you can zoom away and shoot commands while you drive. Standard commands remain the same, like setting reminders, adding events to your calendar, or even asking Alexa what the weather is like.
Alexa, what is the weather in Delhi today?
Currently, in Delhi it's 12 degrees Celsius with fog.
The big advantage of having this in the car is of course the fact that you can now ask for directions, coffee shops, or simply petrol pumps on the way, and even stream some of your favorite songs. Music syncs with Gaana, Apple Music, JioSaavn, and some others. Spotify is not on this list just yet.
Alexa, how far is NDTV from here?
I found a NDTV. It is 7.7 kilometers away in New Delhi.
Even news or audiobooks can be played out while you drive. And since it syncs to your contacts, calls can also be made. Amazon's ever-growing ecosystem also means that you can announce a message to your family at home if you have another Alexa device there.
Alexa, announce at home that I'm reaching in 20 minutes.
The connectivity is pretty seamless with not much lag. Amazon also says specific skills can be enabled through the app for you to drive, which will add more features. Amazon's co-pilot does make things much easier while driving. All tasks you can think of are possible to action, hands-free, but it just about meets expectations. We wish the reliable and good old Google Maps was synced with this for even more accurate traffic updates. One can wish. But Alexa does an okay job on this front, and our big thumbs up is actually for its price that doesn't seem to burn a big hole in our pockets. The Echo Auto has been priced at 4,999 rupees in India, but yes, it will use up your mobile data, so you will have to choose a fast and hefty plan for this to work really well.